Welcome to Pumamarca, a charming village nestled in the foothills of the Andes Mountains in northern Argentina. Who's got the llama? You've got the llama. That feels so nice. Pumamarca traces its roots back to pre-Columbian times when it was inhabited by indigenous peoples like the Omahuacas. The name Pumamarca means town of the virgin land in the local Quechua language, reflecting the area's rich cultural heritage. Today, the village is known for its colorful adobe buildings, traditional markets, and stunning natural surroundings. As you wander the cobblestone streets of Pumamarca, you'll be greeted by vibrant colors and textures. From the iconic Cerro de los Siete Colores, that's Hill of the Seven Colors, to the bustling artisan market in the main square. There's something for everyone to discover in this charming village. Visitors can also explore nearby attractions like the Paseo de los Colorados, a scenic walking trail that offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The best time to visit Pumamarca is during the dry season, from May to October, when the weather is mild and the skies are clear. This is also the peak tourist season, so be prepared for larger crowds and higher prices. If you prefer a quieter experience, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of spring, that's from September to November, or fall, from March to May, when the weather is still pleasant, but the crowds are smaller. Ever been to Pumamarca? Let us know what you think of this charming village in the comment section down below. Same, baby, same. Yeah, get that one. Yep. In addition to the Cerro de los Siete Colores and the artisan market, Pumamarca is home to several other attractions worth exploring. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the historic Church of Santa Rosa de Lima, dating back to the 17th century. And the nearby Salinas Grandes salt flats, a stunning natural wonder just a short drive from the village. Get reduced. had lunch at one of the local restaurants here. We shared a salad, and on the menu for me was a llama stir fry. It was delicious. Who's got the llama? That's a reference for my Pomona people. For travelers planning a visit to Pumamarca, here are a few tips to make the most of your experience. Wear comfortable walking shoes, as many of the village's streets are uneven and hilly. Bring plenty of water and sunscreen, as the sun can be intense at high altitudes. And always be respectful of local customs and traditions, especially when visiting indigenous communities or participating in cultural events. Did you know that the Cerro de los Siete Colores gets its vibrant hues from mineral deposits in the soil, which have been eroded over millions of years? Or that Pumamarca is located along the famous Ruta 40, one of Argentina's most scenic highways? Whether marveling at the natural beauty of the Andes or immersing yourself in the village's rich cultural heritage, Pumamarca promises a unique experience. Support this channel by liking this video, leave a comment below to let us know what you think, and subscribe to this channel. Welcome to Salinas Grandes, a beautiful natural wonder located in the northwest of Argentina. Today we'll explore the beauty and uniqueness of this mesmerizing salt flat, uncovering what to expect, the best times to visit, travel tips, and some interesting facts for you. Access to Salinas Grandes is typically free, but visitors need to pay a small fee for parking or guided tours. It is important to come prepared with plenty of water, sunscreen, and protective clothing, as the high altitude and intense sunlight can be challenging. Additionally, be mindful of the fragile ecosystem of the salt flats and avoid disturbing the wildlife or vegetation. Salinas Grandes has a fascinating history dating back millions of years, formed by the gradual evaporation of ancient inland seas. For centuries, indigenous peoples like the Quechua and the Diaguita used the salt flats for trade and sustenance. Today, Salinas Grandes stands as a testament to the power of nature. As you step onto the shimmering white expanse of Salinas Grandes, you'll be greeted by a surreal landscape unlike any other. Stretching as far as the eye can see, the salt flats create a dazzling mosaic of light and shadow, with salt crystals glistening in the sun. Visitors can explore the flats on foot, by bicycle, or even on a guided tour. marveling at the otherworldly beauty of this natural wonder. Enjoying Salinas Grandes so far? Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment letting us know what you think, and subscribe for more adventures. The best time to visit Salinas Grandes is during the dry season, from May to October, when the weather is mild and the salt flats are at their most pristine. During the wet season, from November to April, the flats may be submerged underwater, making them inaccessible to visitors. Be sure to check local weather forecasts and road conditions before planning your trip. We had so much fun on this trip. I orchestrated a mini photo shoot and we dipped into the salt pools, tasting fresh salt as it crystallized atop the turquoise-colored water. Did you know that Salinas Grandes is one of the largest salt flats in Argentina, spanning over 3,200 square kilometers? Or that the salt flats are home to a variety of unique flora and fauna, including flamingos, vicuñas, and cacti? Whether you're captivated by its natural beauty or intrigued by its geological history, Salinas Grandes promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you awestruck by the wonders of the natural world. We bid farewell to Salinas Grandes, a place of wonder and tranquility amidst the rugged landscape of northwest Argentina. Whether you're wandering its endless expanse or simply taking in the beauty of the sunset, may Salinas Grandes leave you refreshed as it did me. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more adventures.